Adding Skrill as a payment option to your Shopify store can help increase customer convenience and boost sales. To get started, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Settings section. From there, click on Payments and then Alternative Payments. Click the Add Payment Method button and search for Skrill in the search bar. Select Skrill from the list of available payment gateways and click the Add Payment Method button. You will be redirected to the Skrill website where you will need to log in to your Skrill account, or create a new one if you do not have an existing account. Once you are logged in, you will need to enter your Skrill account details and agree to the terms and conditions. After that, you will be redirected back to your Shopify admin panel where you will need to configure the Skrill payment settings. In the payment settings, you can choose the countries where you want to offer Skrill as a payment option and set the payment capture to either automatic or manual. You can also set the payment instructions and the payment description. After configuring the payment settings, click the Save button to save the changes. Skrill will now be available as a payment option on your Shopify store. When a customer selects Skrill as their payment method, they will be redirected to the Skrill website to complete the payment. It is essential to test the Skrill payment option to ensure it is working correctly. To do this, create a test order and select Skrill as the payment method. Complete the payment process and verify that the payment has been successful. By following these steps, you can easily add Skrill as a payment option to your Shopify store and provide your customers with more payment options. This can help increase customer satisfaction and boost sales. It is also essential to keep your payment settings up to date and ensure that the payment gateway is working correctly to avoid any issues with customer payments.